first floor of the house, it's very interesting because we are speaking about the timbered houses technique. This was a beautiful technique that during the medieval ages people used for creating more floors, resistant floors. Basically, they started with some bricks in the first floor. When they try to, go to the upper part, they realized that they need lighter materials, such wood. And then with the grout, they create this insulation for the, winter and cold. Also during the summer, it's useful because it's insulating from the heat. We are now at the first floor of the fantasy house. We need a floor, actually. We are gonna create a wooden floor with a very simple and fast technique. And then this house will not have any playable walls around the floors. So basically all the structure of the first floor will be just an external part. This is perfect for the grout effect. This will be another effect that we will use on this house. It's a little bit different, much different from the liquid grout that we create on the other model. Also, it's very difficult if you cannot cut thin slices, okay? I'm doing it on the Proxon, so for me it will be very easy. You can also check my tutorial on how to cut thin slices of foam without a Proxon, just with an arch cutter. Yeah. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!